Please welcome Your Honor, Judge Ernest.
You may be seated.
Now, this is the case of Peter Pan against the Crown. We are judging him based on kidnapping and using magic. The accused is Peter Pan.
Thank you. Are all parties ready?
Yes, my lord. I am Tanish Stephen, and these are my friends, Mr. Darling and Nana. We are acting on behalf of the Crown in this matter.
My lord, I am Yakalisa, and these are my friends, Wendy and Tinkerbell. We are acting on behalf of the accused Peter Pan of Neverland.
Thank you. Peter Pan, please rise to hear the charge.
Peter Pan, you are being accused of using magic and kidnapping the Darling's children, Wendy, Michael, and John. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
There we have it, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Register. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I begin with some general comments on our role in this trial. Throughout these proceedings, you will act as the judges of the fact, and I will be the judges of the law. Although I may comment on the evidence, by the same token, when I tell you what the law is, it is my view of the law that must prevail. There are two underlying principles that are fundamental to your role as jurors. They are the requirement of proof beyond reasonable doubt, means that no person accused of an offense can be found guilty unless the Crown proves each and every part of element of that offense beyond reasonable doubt. Similarly, our system of law requires that an accused person be presumed innocent. Peter Pan has no obligation to prove that he is not guilty or to explain the evidence offered to you by the Crown. The law presumes he is innocent until you decide otherwise. Before calling on the Crown Counsel to give their opening statements, I will tell you something about the offense with Peter Pan has been charged. Crown has charged Peter Pan with kidnapping and casting witchcraft. Before you can legally return a guilty verdict of kidnapping and witchcraft, the Crown must prove each of the following elements beyond reasonable doubt. First, the identity of Peter Pan as the offender. Second, the time and place of the offense. Third, that Peter Pan did indeed bring and possess with him an unknown substance. Fourth, that Peter Pan did use it on the Darling's children. Fifth, that Peter Pan indeed to take the Darling's children away from their parents. Sixth, that Peter Pan had no intention of returning the children back to their rightful guardian. I now call upon the Crown to proceed with their case.
My lord, Peter Pan has spellbound the Darling's three children, Wendy, John, and Michael, and kidnapped them to a foreign land, hereby committing witchcraft and kidnapping. To support our case, we might want to call our witnesses, Mr. Darling, the father of the children, and Nana, the caretaker. We now call our first witness, Mr. Darling.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear that the evidence that you're about to share is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Also help me God.
I do.
Please state your name and address.
I'm George Darling and I live in a rather depressing street in Bloomsbury.
Can you see?
So, Mr. Darling, where were you the night the incident happened?
I just returned from a party when I saw my children flying out of a window.
Were they flying, like three of them only, or were they accompanied by another person?
Yes, they were accompanied by another person. He was dressed in a green hat. He was dressed in a green shirt and a green hat.
Does this accused match your description?
I'm technically not wearing a hat, so you can't say I am.
You took off your hat.
Definitely not. This is definitely not mine.
Yeah, anyways, yeah.
So it is? No further questions, my